Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. I just wanted to share an oldie but a goodie with you again today. Again, this applies to a lot of the Toyotas and their engine management system, and particularly their Nip and Denso mass airflow sensors. So back in 2015 we even wrote about this, so we're talking 11 years ago we reported these sort of situations where they get a bit of dirt or build up on the two resistors within the MAF sensor, the mass airflow sensor, and it distorts the reading the car gets, the ECU. So it will come up as a bit sluggish, real flat spots, just not the car can. You can clean them, they're an easy one to clean with a good MAF airflow sensor cleaner and gets it back up to spark. So it's something to consider when you're looking at some of these older Toyotas with the Nip and Denso mass airflow sensors, is to get them out and give them a good clean so they're nice and clean. The car will be a lot more responsive than it may have been before. So something not to neglect, even though it's a bit of an oldie, but it keeps on showing its head every now and again, in particular in my own workshop and many others around the country of members that are working on these sorts of vehicles. So keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you are a member and you want to find out this sort of information, if you were to type into Tech Tina on the website, Yaris 2010 Yaris, 1.3 litre engine, sluggish, she'll pick up this sort of information and guide you to it. So sometimes we forget the obvious things and we don't remember them. That's where the website's there to help you. It's there to re-trigger information to you that's something you might have forgotten about. So keep that in mind if you are a member, to be able to log in and get information at your fingertips from the website. If you're not a member and you want to access this information, just go to tap.net.au and click on the 7-day free trial, and you can access that website for 7 days as well. See you next time.